Further, the respondents are also directed to take a decision with regard to initiation of process of acquisition of land of the petitioners under right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement act 2013. The said process shall be initiated within a period of 3 months from the date of this order and shall be completed as per the timeline provided in the act of 2013 itself. With above observation, this writ petition is disposed of.
Deeply obliged.
Pronouncement of judgment, Jail Appeal 1 of 2024.
For reason mentioned in this judgment, this court finds this appeal devoid of any merit and accordingly dismissed.
Pronouncement of judgment, Jail Appeal number 8 of 2025.
For reasons mentioned in the judgment, this court is of opinion that this appeal is devoid of any merit and does not warrant any interference in the impugned judgment. Accordingly, this appeal is dismissed.
Obliged.
For order, Criminal Review Petition 4 of 2025.
Here I am not delivering the judgment now.
Yes.
A question has come to my mind,
Right.
of which the answer is required.
Okay.
So I have posed a query that whether this revision petition is barred under section 442 clause 4 of the BNSS.
Okay.
Since the parties have not addressed this issue,
Regarding the maintainability of the revision petition?
maintainability, the public prosecutor raised on a different point. I have raised a point which was not raised by the public prosecutor. Both the parties are required to be given an opportunity to make their respective submissions on the point whether this revision petition is barred by section 442 clause 4 of BNSS. Hence, let this matter be listed for hearing again on 12/5/2026.
For admission,
You may go through the order.
for admission, item number 4.
My lord, in this case, the respondents were supposed to file the individual affidavit, since earlier they have filed this joint affidavit, but in a contempt proceeding which is impermissible. And your lordship, this court on 1st of April had.
Who are those respondents? 3, 4 and 5?
No, my lord. Earlier, my lord, all the respondents 1 to 5 have filed a joint affidavit. And the submission on the basis of the learned counsel for the respondents was that the affidavit for respondent 3, 4 and 5 are ready to be filed, but 1 and 2 are awaited. That is the submission made in the last occasion.
Yes. Ms. Daniel.
Your Lordship, Ms. London Hui is on leg. May these matters be passed over for the time being. I will call her.
Okay. Okay.
Item number 5.
Lordship, if I may be given another some more days to file my affidavit in opposition. I am appearing for the respondent number 1 on behalf of my senior, Mr. Bilaram Enga.
This is item number 6.
Item number 5, my lord.
5. What is your name?
Latlan Hloi.
Your name is not there in the wakalat.
Yes, my lord. I am appearing for
Okay. Right.
on behalf of my senior, Mr.
Write her
Bilaram
name.
Enga.
Appearing on behalf of Mr.
Bilaram Enga, respondent number 1.
B. Lalram Menga, Learned Counsel for respondent number 1, who prays for how much time?
2 weeks time, my lord.
2 weeks time for filing affidavit in opposition. Also admits the learned counsel for the petitioner does not have any objection to the same. Who is appearing for state respondent? Miss Linda L. Farmwell, learned additional AG, appears for respondent number 3 to 7. And you are appearing for?
I'm appearing on behalf of the Legal Aid Council for Respondent number 2, Mr. Jordan Raumintanga.
What is your name, writer?
Lelluinomi Chakswa.
Appears on behalf of Mr. Jordan Ramin Thanga,
For Respondent number 2.
learned counsel for respondent number 2. The prayer made by learned counsel for respondent number 1 is allowed. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Item number 6.
My lord, in this matter, the respondent number 6 is yet to file their counter affidavit, my lord. The Kala, Khoswal district.
Who is appearing for respondent number 6?
My lord, Miss Lalun Hlui is appearing, my lord. 6.
What is to be done?
My lord,
We'll give some more time because
yes, my lord.
office note says that the respondent number 6 has not yet filed. Heard Mr. Lalrokunga Pautu, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. Zairem Sangpui, learned counsel for respondent number 1, as well as Ms.
Zodin Puitaptua, representing respondent RN2 on behalf of Samuel Vandashata.
Right hand name, appearing on behalf of Mr. Samuel Vanlel Shata, learned additional AG, appearing for respondent number 4 and 5. It appears that respondent number 6 has not yet filed the affidavit in opposition. Some more time is granted to the said respondent to do so. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
My lord, in the meantime, allow me to file my rejoinder affidavit
Against
against the affidavit filed by the respondent, 2 and 3. The respondents, 2 and 3.
the petitioner is allowed to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents
2 to 5, my lord.
2 to 5.
Yes.
By the next date. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
I'm obliged.
Item number 7.
May I please, Lordship, my lord, by the permission of your Lordship, I have been given time to search the true address of the sole respondent in this case, and we obtained the newest address of the sole respondents. And in respect of that new address, we can take fresh step to the sole respondent by your lordship's permission.
Have you found the new address? Have you traced out the new address?
Yes, here, print out.
Heard Mr. Lalrem Kluanga, learned special PP, appearing for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner has found petitioner has found out the new address of the sole respondents, that is house care of Kunnan Lal, house number 364A, Officers Avenue, ward number 2, near bus stand, post office and district, Taran, Punjab, pin 143401. He seeks leave of this court to take steps for issuance of notice to the sole respondent at his new address. The prayer is allowed. The petitioner shall take steps for issuance of notice upon the sole respondent by speed post at his new address as indicated herein above, within 7 days from the date of this order, returnable on 29th of May, list accordingly.
Much of that.
Pass over item number 4.
May it please your lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the state respondents 1 to 5. I'll be filing the affidavit by next week, your lordship. It's ready.
Date may be given, my lord, because they have already making submission on 1st of April that affidavits for respondent 3, 4 and 5 are ready, but till today they have not filed it, my lord.
Heard Mr. Victor L. Ralte, learned counsel for the petitioner. No, this is item number?
Item number 4.
4. Also heard Ms. Lallan Louis, learned government advocate, appearing for respondent number 1 to 5, who seeks some more time for filing affidavit in opposition.
In compliance, your lordship.
Huh?
It will be affidavit in compliance.
Affidavit in compliance.
Yes,
You have
Your
complied with
Yes, your lordship. We have complied to some extent.
affidavit in compliance. The prayer is allowed. When will you be
Your
filing?
lordship will be filed by the 7th.
Let this matter be listed on 7th May again.
Deeply obliged.
Much obliged, your lordship.
Item number 8.
In item number 8, I'll have to seek another 3 weeks' time, my lord. I have not received any further comments yet.
Heard Miss
Well, someone.
Vanlal Tlamui Moani, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Miss Linda L. Farmwell, learned additional AG, who seeks 3 weeks' time for filing written objection and for filing affidavit in opposition, as she has not yet received parawise comment from the concerned department. The prayer is not opposed to by learned counsel for the petitioner, hence same is allowed. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Item number 9.
My lord, in this item, parawise comments has been received. It will be filed by next week, my lord. Affidavit in opposition will be filed by next week.
Same. Heard Miss.
My lord, if fixed date may be given,
Heard Miss Vanlal Tlamwani, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Miss Linda L. Farmwell, learned additional AG, who submits that the affidavit in opposition is to be filed by the state respondent is ready, and same shall be filed by the next week. Accordingly, let this matter be listed again on 8th of
my lord.
May.
Obliged.
There are 7 items remaining in the part 2. Shall we put it John or left? If you give an order for adjournment, you can make it after 2 weeks. Only 7 after that remaining.
Anybody is ready?
I don't think so.
Hearing list, anyone is ready? We'll adjourn it for a week. All hearing matters adjourned for a week.